grace and forgiveness. Bang, crash, bang, smash. You did it. You were running fast in the house. You didn't see the brand new rack of flower pots your mom had thoughtfully placed there a week earlier. You ran right into them, knocking them over, every single one of them broken. Your mom looked at the pots with sadness in her eyes. As she finished sweeping up the mess, she looked at you. She came over and gave you a big hug and kiss. She had grace and forgave you. Grace is very good. God is full of grace. With grace comes forgiveness, and forgiveness after doing something wrong makes us feel good again. I'm going to sing, For by grace are you saved. For by grace are you saved, through faith, that not of yourselves. It is a gift of God, not of works, lest any should boast. Thank you, and goodbye in English.